Okay, so on this problem, you have the lateral area of a cone. So a cone, we're talking about the lateral area, so we're just talking about the pi RL part of the formula. Does not include the pi r squared, is 13.5 pi. And we also know the radius is 2.7, so I'm going to plug in 2.7 for radius, find L. And so your first step on this can be to divide both sides of the equation by pi. That kind of cleans it up. And so now you have 13.5 equals 2.7 L. And now this is just an algebra problem. To get L by itself, you're going to divide both sides by 2.7. So divide by 2.7, divide by 2.7, and L comes out to be 5.